Okay, everybody, what's up? Big Head Ride. It's been over a year since I've uploaded. A lot of stuff with work and the bike and all that, business. Up and down. Electrical work, California, conveyor systems. Not a lot of people want them right now. It's end of the year. It's November 2021. But not here about the bike, not here about work. Here about these bad boys. These are the Carlyle from Napa Auto Parts. The 8-piece screwdriver kit. Part number SDS8GR. Right there. Saw these on a review. Wanted to get them. I got cheap Lennox and new Chinese Craftsman screwdrivers, commercial electric stuff. My hand-me-downs. I'm not going to use my clients on working on cars and stuff like that. And this isn't a toe box video about what I got. This is just on these, so. Haven't opened them yet. Got them 30 bucks. Let's dive into them. Let's see. I hope all of you have had a wonderful 2020. I haven't really recorded anything. I got a few old videos, like I said, a while back, but nothing's reached, the editor that I use. Let me see if I can set this down real quick. I'm using my phone. GoPro's gone. Sorry. Let me see if I can top you guys up somehow. Okay, so I got the plastic off. Nice plastic. It's got the little index of what they have and stuff like that. Sorry, my hands are dirty. Been working on cars lately, so I've never touched one of these yet. They're really comfortable, really ergonomic and stuff like that. It's got the hex shank for more torque, the slotted reinforced rubber or whatever that is for more torque. Let's see. Yeah, they're pretty nice. It's an 8-piece kit. Let's grab a bit. Ooh, yeah. That's nice. It's kind of like, I don't know, like touching the bottom of a shoe. Like a Van skate shoe, just like pure rubber. Wow, that's very nice. I've never had or held an expensive, a decently expensive pair of screwdrivers. Man. I'll just tell you the sizes. Part number green, 3/8 by 8 inch. So it's a 3-inch blade, 3/8-inch blade. Yeah, it's heavy too. That's like maybe the weight of a ratchet, maybe. Pretty heavy. Wish I could use it on something, but it's nighttime over here. Let's see, small Phillips. Yeah, that's nice. Wow. What quality can do. Now I wonder why people like Snap-on so much and everything, Matco. But that's it, I like it. I'm gonna use it for a bit. A couple of cars I gotta work on. But yeah, it's a Carlyle 8-piece screwdriver kit. part number again, SDS8GR, high visibility green, Napa Auto Parts. Amazon's got them too, but when I checked their availability, they didn't have all the colors. They got red, the green, the blue, and the green, and that's it. But hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.